Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the elevation camera. So you can see here on the drawing window total four numbers of camera. You can see this one is first, this one is second, and this one is third, and this one is fourth. So total four numbers of elevation cameras you can see on the drawing window. So here you can see here showing the elevation east, north, south, west. So basically, this camera indicate east elevation, this camera indicate west elevation, and this camera indicate north elevation, and at the bottom this camera indicate south elevation. So basically, you can check by just by clicking on the camera also, right? If you just bring just your arrow on the camera, then you can see it is showing the view east elevation. If you just bring your arrow on this camera, so see it is showing view elevation west. If you just bring your arrow on the top, see it is showing view elevation north. In similar way, if you just bring your arrow at the bottom, then it is showing view elevation south.